Welcome to the xMAP INTELLIFLEX software installation overview. The xMAP INTELLIFLEX version 2.1 software introduces several new features to improve the user experience. For a complete list of changes, visit the INTELLIFLEX changes page on the diasorn.com website. The installation process takes approximately 1 hour 15 minutes to 3 hours to complete and can be performed without the on-site assistance of Luminex Field Service. Preparation. Before performing an xMAP INTELLIFLEX software upgrade, please complete the following. Verify that the xMAP INTELLIFLEX software version 2.0 is installed on the target instrument. This information may be obtained from the Settings About page. Note: upgrading software from xMAP INTELLIFLEX software version 1.1 to xMAP INTELLIFLEX software version 2.1 is not supported. Ensure the instrument is calibrated. Perform a system backup. Note: restoring from backup is the only way to revert to a prior version of software. Therefore, it is highly recommended to back up the system before performing the upgrade. The procedure to complete this may be found in the xMAP INTELLIFLEX System Administrator's Guide and is also outlined in this overview. Please consult with your IT administrator before proceeding. Prior to installing the xMAP INTELLIFLEX version 2.1 software, consult your IT administrator about any additional software installed on the xMAP INTELLIFLEX system that might interfere with the xMAP INTELLIFLEX version 2.1 software installation. Materials needed. Obtain the following materials: administrator sign-in credentials, media, USB, external SSD, or network drive for data backup storage. Backup size will vary based on system usage. The total system hard drive is 512 gigabytes, but less storage space may be needed. View the used space of the instrument C drive to approximate the capacity required to perform the backup. Note: the USB or external SSD drive must be in the NTFS format. USB drive with a minimum of 1 GB of available space for xMAP INTELLIFLEX software version 2.1. Verifying backup media properties. The backup media, USB flash drive, external SSD, or network drive used to store the xMAP INTELLIFLEX system backup data must be formatted as NTFS. Confirm that the backup media is formatted as NTFS before performing a system backup. Additionally, there must be enough free space available on the backup media to store the system backup, where the amount of free space is greater than the amount of used space on the instrument C drive. Confirm that there is enough space available on the backup media before performing a system backup. To identify the properties of a USB or external SSD, connect the USB or external SSD to the xMAP INTELLIFLEX instrument. Sign in to the xMAP INTELLIFLEX system as an administrator. Select the software navigation menu in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and select the Switch to Windows icon. Open File Explorer and then select INTELLIFLEX. Locate the Windows C drive on the list of devices and drives. Right-click the Windows C drive and select Properties. The Properties dialog displays. Locate the used space line to check the amount of used space on the instrument C drive. Select OK. Locate the USB or external SSD on the list of devices and drives. Right-click the USB or external SSD and select Properties. A dialog displays. Locate the file system line and confirm that the file system is NTFS. Locate the free space line and confirm that there is a sufficient amount of storage available. The free space available must be greater than the amount of used space on the instrument C drive. Select OK. Formatting backup media. The backup media, USB flash drive, external SSD, or network drive used to store the xMAP INTELLIFLEX system backup data must be formatted as NTFS. Note: consult your IT administrator for assistance verifying or formatting a network drive. Formatting the USB or external SSD will erase all data stored on the USB or external SSD. Before formatting a USB or external SSD, save all data on the drive to a different location if necessary. To format a USB or external SSD, connect the USB or external SSD to the xMAP INTELLIFLEX instrument. Sign in to the xMAP INTELLIFLEX system as an administrator. Select the Software navigation menu in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and select the Switch to Windows icon. Open the File Explorer and then select INTELLIFLEX. Locate the USB or external SSD on the list of devices and drives. Right-click the USB or external SSD and select Format. The Format dialog displays. From the File System drop-down menu, select NTFS. Under Format Options, select the checkbox next to Quick Format. Select Start. A warning message displays stating that formatting the drive will erase all data on the drive. Confirm that you have saved all data on the USB or external SSD to a different location if necessary. Select OK, then wait for the formatting process to complete. Once the process is complete, a message displays stating that the formatting was completed successfully. Select OK to close the Format dialog. Obtaining the software. The software provided in the download package is accessed through the web link provided by Luminex Technical Support. Alternatively, you may have received a Luminex USB drive with the software from Luminex Technical Support. If you obtain the download package, transfer the INTELLIFLEX bundle.exe file to a USB drive with a minimum of 1 GB of available space. Do not change the file name. The .exe file must be saved in the root directory of the USB, not in a folder. If the file is saved to a folder on the USB, the xMAP INTELLIFLEX system will not recognize the file. Note: the root directory is the top-level directory on a USB. The root directory is a location on the USB that is visible prior to selecting a folder as shown here. Performing a system backup. This procedure is intended for a system administrator. Please consult with your system administrator before proceeding. The backup process may take 10 minutes to an hour depending on the amount of data stored on the system and the type of drive used. Connect the USB or external SSD drive if necessary. Note: the USB or external SSD drive must be in NTFS format. Sign in to the xMAP INTELLIFLEX system with an administrator account. Select the menu in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and navigate to Settings and then About. Select the Create Windows Backup Image button. Locate the appropriate USB, external SSD, or network drive and the desired folder for the backup. Press the Select button to start the backup process. Click Yes in the User Account Control request if necessary. A message displays indicating that the backup is in progress. Note: the backup process runs in the command window. Closing the command window prematurely will show the INTELLIFLEX notification error, failed to create Windows backup image. However, the backup process is still running and visible in the Windows Task Manager. A message is recorded in the Notification Center when the backup is complete. Installing the software upgrade. Only administrator roles can perform software updates. Note: if the USB drive is not permitted in the laboratory, contact Luminex technical support for an alternative method to perform the update. To confirm the system is not in an error state, select the white arrow on the lower right side of the screen to expand the system dashboard. Confirm the central icon is not red. If the central icon is red, as shown here, contact Luminex technical support for further assistance. Note: a red central icon indicates the system is in an error state. Proceeding with installation while the system is in an error state will render the xMAP INTELLIFLEX system inoperable. Connect the USB containing the INTELLIFLEX bundle.exe to the USB port on the target instrument. Sign into the xMAP INTELLIFLEX system with an administrator account. Select the menu in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and navigate to Settings and then About. Select the Luminex Software Update button once. Select Yes in the User Account Control dialog if necessary. The update location is automatically detected and a banner is displayed indicating installation is in progress and the instrument will restart when complete. Note: to prevent an update from prematurely stopping, do not interact with the xMAP INTELLIFLEX while the update is running. If the update does not complete in 20 minutes, contact Luminex technical support for further assistance. After the instrument restarts, sign in, review, and accept the end-user license agreement. Then navigate to Settings and then About to verify the software version appears as 2.1. Confirming the software upgrade. After completing the upgrade, check the default acquisition settings by navigating to Plate Configuration and then Acquisition. If the Run option for the clean routine is enabled and the Repeat Every field contains a value as 0, two options are available. If no intro well routine is needed, disable the Run option. If the intro well routine capability is needed, enter a valid Repeat Every value greater or equal to 1. Perform calibration and verification. Refer to Chapter 4 in the xMAP INTELLIFLEX 2.1 User Manual. Export a support zip and send it to Luminex technical support to confirm the upgrade was completed successfully. Refer to exporting a support package and sending files to Luminex technical support. After confirming the upgrade completed successfully, restart the instrument. Back up the system. Refer to performing a system backup. Exporting a support package. Support packages contain system information, which Luminex technical support uses to confirm the software upgrade completed successfully. The support zip page creates a support package, support zip, that you can save locally, save to a USB, or email to Luminex technical support. To export a support package, connect a USB to the USB port on the front of the instrument if necessary. Select the software navigation menu in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and navigate to Settings and then Support Zip. Under Export to, select the checkbox next to Local Folder, USB drive, or Email to Support Team to specify how you want to export the support package. Under Add a note describing the issue, include any additional information. Select Export. Review the location of the exported zip log files in the Results dialog box. Select Close. Sending files to Luminex technical support. To send a support package, support zip to Luminex technical support, if needed, transfer the support zip to your computer. Open the Internet browser on your computer and navigate to bft.luminexcorp.com to access the Luminex Big File Transfer webpage. Enter your name in the Your Name field. Enter your email in the Your Email field. Enter support@luminexcorp.com in the Email To field. Select Add Files and navigate to the Support Zip file's saved location. Select the support zip and then select Open. Select Upload All. This concludes the xMAP INTELLIFLEX software installation overview. Thank you for your time and attention.